Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I provide valuable insights into achieving financial freedom, personal finance, side hustles, and investments. Today, I'm excited to talk about the book that has changed the lives of millions of people, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance classic that has been inspiring and empowering readers for over 2 decades. The book tells the story of Kiyosaki's childhood, where he had two fathers. His biological father, who was highly educated but struggled with money, and his friend's father, who had never finished 8th grade but became one of the richest men in Hawaii. Through the experiences of both his rich dad and poor dad, Kiyosaki shares insights and lessons about money that he learned early in life. Here are some of the key takeaways from Rich Dad Poor Dad: 1. The rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki's rich dad taught him that the wealthy don't work for money, they make money work for them. This means investing in assets that generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. 2. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki distinguishes between assets and liabilities, emphasizing the importance of acquiring assets that generate income and avoiding liabilities that drain money from your pocket. He also highlights the difference between good debt, debt used to acquire income-producing assets, and bad debt, debt used to acquire liabilities. 3. Mindset shift. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of shifting your mindset from a consumer mindset to an investor mindset. Instead of focusing on accumulating more possessions, focus on accumulating assets that generate income. 4. Financial education. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of financial education and the need to learn about money and investing. He believes that schools do not teach financial literacy, which is essential for achieving financial freedom. 5. Take risks. Kiyosaki encourages taking calculated risks in investing and entrepreneurship. He believes that fear of failure often holds people back from achieving their dreams and emphasizes that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Rich Dad Poor Dad has inspired millions of people to take control of their finances and pursue their dreams. It offers a practical and easy-to-understand approach to personal finance that anyone can follow. By changing your mindset, focusing on assets, and investing in financial education, you can achieve financial freedom and build a better life for yourself and your family. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy, create wealth, and achieve financial freedom.